Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your club name on 8-Ball Pool's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your club's name on 8-Ball Pool, firstly go ahead and launch open your 8-Ball Pool application. You will end up on the home page of 8-Ball Pool's account. From the home page, click on Clubs at the top left corner of the page. From the pop-up, tap on I icon and on the next page, tap on Edit option. Edit your club's name and tap on Save. This is how you can change your club's name on 8-Ball Pool's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.